Hello Snowflake engineers and welcome to the video. If you don't know me, I am Sujit Nair, a cloud data architect. I am also a Snowflake Snowpro certified professional. In today's video, I will be covering certification question related to Snowpro. Let's begin.
Which stages are used with the Snowflake put command to upload files from a local file system? Choose 3. I will give you a few seconds to decide on an answer. If you need more time, please use the pause button. And the right answer for this is user stage, table stage, and internal named stage. So let us review why these are the answers. Before we jump into a demo, I want to bring to your attention that the concept of a schema stage or database stage does not exist in Snowflake. So those two cannot be the right answers. Now what is left is basically external name stage, internal name stage, table stage, and user stage. We will in our demo use the put command to put files in the user stage, table stage, and internal name stage to kind of prove out that we can use the put command there. So I'm going to start by using the target database. I'm going to see what tables are present. As you can see, there is one table called Netflix present in the target database and public schema. Let us list all the files in the user stage. At this time, there are no files in the user stage. Let us list files in the table stage Netflix. Currently, there are no files in the table stage Netflix. I'm going to create a named internal stage. Let's see if we can list files in this. We just created it, so obviously there will be no files inside the stage. Now, the question asks us how we can use the put command to do the upload. So what we will do is that we will use the SnowCLI. What we will do is that we will use the SnowCLI to upload files into the stages. So So the first thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to upload files into the user stage. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to upload the employees.csv into the user stage. As you just saw, we got a status of uploaded. So what we did was we used the put command and we uploaded a file called employee.csv into a user stage. We can verify this by using the list user stage command. As you can clearly see, we do not have the employees.csv before we ran the put command, and after running it we see a file there. Now the next step we are going to take is that we are going to put a file called netflix underscore titles.csv into the table stage. So let's go ahead and do that. As you just saw, we got the status of uploaded, which means that the file netflix underscore titles.csv has been uploaded to the table stage. So let us review and check if that is true. As you see, we see a file here. So we were able to use the put command and we were able to achieve that. Now the question is, can we do that same for the internal stage? Let us find out. Status is uploaded. So we were able to upload the employees.csv into the internal stage. Let's run the list command and let us find out. As you saw, even on the internal stage, we are able to see a file that we just uploaded with the put command. Our demo clearly shows that it is possible to upload the files into the user stage, into the table stage, and the internal name stage. Now, when it comes to the external name stage, the reason we are unable to do so using the put command is because the external name stage is stored outside of Snowflake. The SnowCLI is a tool to interact with Snowflake, and since the external name stage is cloud storage like S3 or Azure Blob Storage, it is not possible to use the put command to put the file into an external name stage.